Well, I know everybody loves a rags to riches success story, and I guess this is kind of what this one is. This little SM3 came to me for, I don't even remember what I paid for it, like $40, $60, something like that. And kind of bought it sight unseen. It was a local pickup on eBay, and I was just like, yes, SM3, I don't care what condition it's in, I'll take it. And meh, I should have cared. But it ended up working out all right. When I got it, man, this thing was pretty much a solid chunk of metal. There wasn't a single key that wasn't bound up, not one. And the platen was all slick and nasty and had that white crap that Olympia platens get on them sometimes. And feed rollers were all slick and didn't have spools. You know, it hadn't been loved in a long, long time. But it looked good. It was a decent looking machine. And it's a little bit better than decent now, I'd say. I stripped the body off of it, all the rubber came off, everything. Gave it a full chemical clean, and I do mean full chemical clean. I ran the gambit on this thing, and took several days to get it working, but mercy, mammy, boy howdy, it's a working now. Got the lid taken off just because you can see the type bar is a little easier that way. And I'm going to do a little type test here to show this thing off a little bit. What did I have to do? What else did I have to do on this? Not just the cleaning. Damn it, I had something else. Oh, the feed rollers. Man, what a pain in the ass these feed rollers are. Lordy. Just finding the rubber to be able to replace those. One of them was cracked. And I figured since one of them was cracking, then the other one couldn't be too far behind. So I just replaced them both. They've got this funky little core in there with a little keeper pin that is kind of a pain in the rump. But they work. And to prove it, here we go. 1957 Olympia SM3, and this is serial number, what is it? 1064747. 1064747. Huh. Interesting number. That puts it from 1957, and I am okay with that. So on the blue setting, the quick round box jumps over the lazy dog. Hear how fast that thing goes now? See how nice she prints? It's amazing what you can do with a machine that other people think are dead. We'll go to the red setting here. Now is the time for all good men to come to the aid of their country. Whoa. That's me, not the typewriter. Their country. I get ahead of myself trying to type too fast to show these things off, because I'm really not that fast of a typer. You know, I got buttery, clumsy fingers sometimes. Just to show off how quick this thing can be. Here I go jamming them again. So you heard how fast that was. Notice that none of these are piled up. None of these are skipping. That escapement can keep up with your fingers, no matter how fast your fingers may be. So if you're looking for a typewriter that you can type 60, 70, 80 words a minute on, well, you know, the Olympia SM3 might be the one for you. Because they can do it. Especially if they're cleaned and tuned the way this little sucker is. Because, woo, man, what a beauty. So there you go. 1957 SM3 in Very austere gray with the gorgeous maroon burgundy keys. One hell of a typer. And a beautiful success story. Aww.